My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, bad bitches of the world? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be this super simple, easy, like spring glam look. So I recently signed up for BoxyCharm. I know I'm a little late to the party, but you know, I'm fashionably late. And my first box was my March box, and it was bomb. Like, I should have signed up a long time ago. But one of the products in the box was this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette. And they're all shimmers except for one matte, but I was like, this is such like a beautiful, like neutral, like everyday palette. You can almost create a whole look with it. I couldn't because the one matte shade is basically the same shade as my skin tone, so I did just use another color for a transition shade, but I used a total of like 3 shadows, maybe 4 if I'm including like highlighting the brow bone. But I just wanted to make this a super easy look. You basically need this palette and then a bronzer and maybe a dark brown eyeshadow. But it has basically been the look I've been wearing almost every day, just a different version of it. I've been using a different color on the lid and then just like a brown in the crease, and that's it. Like, takes 5 minutes, no joke. So if you would like to see how to get this super like simple spring glam using this Tarte palette, then keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's get right into the tutorial. And it's the super bright. So I'm just going in with that one matte shade Tiki and a Morphe M518 over Dispatch. I'm gonna go in with Creme Brulee by Makeup Geek, just a little bit. That shade in there isn't dark enough, but if it works for you, then you can use that as your transition shade. Now I'm going to go in with Heat Wave right here, using a Morphe B10. I'm going to take this ColourPop eyeshadow in Made to Last with a Morphe M562, and I'm just gonna put that in the crease a little bit. It's like a neutral, like milk chocolate brown. Just use a bronzer as well. Actually, that's what I should have done. My CIATE London Bamboo Bronzer. So I'm going to use some Fix Plus. This is optional. If you're going for more like a more natural look, you can skip this step. But I'm gonna go in with my GOLDLIGHT. I just spray it on a little dish. some dark brown eyeshadow as eyeliner. So I'm going to go in with Feather by ColourPop. I'm gonna go in with this Maui eyeliner in Maui Light. It's just a really light beige. And take your bronzer or whatever, like brown shade. Put that in my lower lash line. Too. Wet n Wild and Sugar. Okay, so my makeup is completed, and that's why I like it. You're on my dick, and on my bag, as hard as it gets. Do something for it, I might take a sip. Might hit the blunt, but I'm love with a trip. I ain't popping no pills, but you do as you wish. Hold some things, I love them to death. Got a few milk, but not all of them rich. Good as the bread, it's my because for class, I can't sit. That's my next mission, is why I can't quit. Just like a ball game, nothing if I smoke a rapper, it's gonna be legit. Won't be for clout, it won't be for fame. It won't because my shit ain't selling the same. Won't be to sell you my latest new sneakers. It won't because somebody slid in my lane. Everything grows, it's just in the change. I love you, I'm glad that you came.